Hey guys, before this video starts, make sure to go head over to Twitch. I've been live streaming some Apex Legends on twitch.tv/LifeMadeEasy10. Go follow me, go watch me play some Apex. Okay, so now let's get into the video. First of all, before this video starts, getting free Xbox games. Guys, when you search this on YouTube, this is a highly searched topic. All these channels right here, this is like 99% of this is all fake. These all involve glitches that have most likely been patched by now, and those glitches only usually work for the person doing it in the video, and a lot of these involve gift card generators, stuff like that. It doesn't work. I'm going to show you the actual practical way to get free games. Okay, so let's hop into that on my Xbox. Okay guys, so sadly my audio didn't record for this segment of the video, so I'm going to have to do a voiceover while watching my actual recording right here. So I'm currently streaming this from my Xbox to my PC so I can capture the my Xbox using screen record. So guys, basically for this tutorial there's two basic methods to get free games on Xbox. The first one is going to be very straightforward. That's going to be going to the Xbox store, as you can see on screen here, and just go search up games that cost nothing and are free to play. I know this is a bit annoying and that's not the answer you want to hear, but don't worry, the second one is more practical and more realistic, because not all the games you want are going to be free, obviously. So you can go on, download a free game if you're interested in getting free games, you don't want to spend any money and you have a low budget. That's all good. However, the second method I'm going to be explaining is much better, and I don't know, it's just way better. There's plenty of free games out there. Apex, Fortnite, those games are fun, free to play. You don't have to spend anything, and you can play with your friends, cross-platform, stuff like that. So, second method I'm going to be explaining to you guys is basically the game sharing method that Xbox has released a while back. This method is basically for those who have multiple Xboxes in their house and just want to transfer games across all their Xboxes so they don't have to pay multiple times. So for this, the first step, as I'm bungling around on screen, is to basically go into your settings app on your Xbox One, go down to personalization, click My Home Xbox, and when you want to do this when you're signed into your friend's account. They give you their username and email and password. You sign in, go to My Home Xbox and settings, click make this My Home Xbox. You're all set with that. Then you're gonna make your way back into My Games and Apps, go into the Games tab, and as you can see on the top, there's installed and there's ready to install. Installed are those are your games. When you sign back in, you want to sign back into your account after you click My Home Xbox on your friend's account. So you go to ready to install. These games are all the games that are going to be available for you to download that your friend owns, and now you have the right to play them because you made their home Xbox your home Xbox, if that makes any sense to you. And just to be clear, these have to be digital downloads. You can't do this with physical discs, so that's a bit of a pain, but that's just how it works. So you can license transfer and game share up to 3 times per year with people, so you can do it 3 separate times with 3 different people. That's just one of the rules. So guys, that's basically, if you want a game and you don't want to buy it, have your friend buy it and they share it with you. That's the best way to get free games. Also guys, if you're looking for cheap games, I recommend heading over to eBay and searching up a game used. eBay has great deals on games. Amazon has great deals on games. Also, if you guys are interested in the app called Mercari, that's a shopping app. Those also have really good deals, and I'd recommend getting those games on those platforms because they're really cheap. Don't buy Xbox games directly on Xbox's store. Those are a ripoff and they charge you full price. So with that being said, guys, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I hope you learned something useful. If you did, like, comment, subscribe. Go follow me on Twitch, LifeMadeEasy10. I'm streaming Apex Legends. You can also add me on Xbox, Baseball Batter 1, if you want to play Apex with me. Go follow me on all my social medias. Like, comment, subscribe, turn on notifications, leave me video suggestions down below in the comments, any questions you guys have, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.